Today I'm going to introduce a new drive for iPhones. So it comes with a lightning connector, so it can work very well with uh, iPhones. So it can be a very good tool to help you storage your pictures and videos anywhere. Now we take a look at the package. So it actually has two connectors. It works with iPhone as well as Android phones. Now let's test with the iPhone 5s. Plug. When you plug in, it will automatically pops out a dialog and you click allow. Here's the app interface. For example, here's if you want to back up your pictures, click here, and we will back up the pictures automatically. Now it says it's finished. And you also back up your contacts. Finished.